Morning, dear students. Today I'm going to explain you how I preserve this giant African snail. I got this snail from my kitchen courtyard, and as you know, this is the largest land snail. And as the FIUGP second sem students, how to learn about the snail in the economic importance of mollusks, I plan to preserve this one in our lab. So let's see. First, we need to euthanize the specimen. Euthanize means what? It is the way how we are killing our specimen, whatever specimen, in a humanitarian, painless way. So that is euthanization. And for euthanizing here, I took isopropyl alcohol. Whatever type of alcohol we can take, and I prepared a 10 percentage concentration of isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to pour a portion of the 10 percentage alcohol to that specimen that is kept in the water. So that's why I'm going to pour half the portion of the prepared alcohol, and then I wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, again I'm going to add the balance portion of the 10 percentage alcohol that I have to the specimen. So this is the way how we are killing that specimen in a merciful way. So that is the scientific method. Okay, in the next day morning, we are going to add 10 percentage formalin to the dyed mercifully killed specimen. The purpose is that to fix the tissues, to prevent its decomposition. And as the formalin, it needs time to penetrate. It's very necessary to give sufficient time. So that is why we are keeping, after adding this, we are keeping the specimen intact for 48 hours. So after 48 hours, we are next going to decant this formalin, and to remove whatever traces of formalin in its tissues. For that, we need to rinse also 2 or 3 times. We can rinse using tap water to remove the traces, whatever traces of formalin that present in the specimen. So that's it. So we are moving to the final step of the preservation. Here in this step, we are going to add 70 percentage ethanol to the specimen. So by this way, it will preserve the original color and appearance of the specimen. So that is it. After that, it's very important to label the specimen. So we are next going to label, and this label have some specialities. I think you can see 3 QR code in that label. So I'm going to show what's the purpose of this QR code. By scanning the first QR code, whoever student can see the details of that specimen, what about its descriptions, everything. And likewise, by scanning the next QR code, the student is able to see the actual appearance image of that specimen in this way. And by scanning the last QR code, the student is able to see the behavior, a video of that specimen. So it's very useful. In this way, I preserve the giant African snail that I got from my kitchen courtyard. Thank you.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.